Without space constraints, without cost constraints, we make carpentry's ideal a reality. Leehyun Multi-Wood Machine. Leehyun Multi-Wood Machine is safe. It is a method of holding and moving the machine's axis by fixing the material to the vise. There is no direct contact with the blade, and there is no need to carry materials, so there is less fatigue even in long-term work. Leehyun Multi-Wood Machine is easy to use. It moves in an intuitive way and allows for angle cutting by moving the material to be moved at the desired angle. It is also easy to use with the desired shape blade and the desired size jig, making it easy to make high-level tailoring, hole punching, and oval and circular cutting as if copying keys. Also, Leehyun multi-wood machines are economical. All work is possible at the minimum workspace of 59.4 square meters. The machine minimizes workflow and expands workspace utilization. This is because the multifunction of woodworking workstations such as leveling, jig, hole punching and groove digging, molding, sanding, wood lathe, and cutting can be implemented in one machine, which has a great effect of reducing costs. For those who want to do business, for those who want to have a hobby, not only professionals but also beginners. Multi-purpose woodworking machine for everyone. Patent-proven technology, the pride that we built up as a result. Leehyun Multi-Wood Machine, which combines 40 years of carpentry experience, will now make carpentry's ideal a reality.